That's fantastic, isn't it? Might start to get on your nerves after a little while. Turn that bird down.
Ma bellina sei.
It might help if you spoke English, love. He's thinking, what's she going on about? Buzz off! Amazing talent in training birds, terrible talent in picking carpets.
Why? Bet. Fetch a stick. Thank you. Now speak.
There, a barking parrot. If that's not entertainment, I don't know what is. Ever wondered what Beverly Callard gets up to in her downtime?
You're losing your faith. Try that one.
Now, where did I drop my car keys? Where are they? Oh. Cheeky.
What did it do?
Bit him.